Hey guys, Mitch from Mitch Tasker Lawn Care here. Just wanted to do a little unboxing video for you here. I went down to the post office there when I was posting my invoices and picked up a parcel as well, which is always cool. A lot of you may not know, but I was actually in the fitness industry before I got into lawn mowing. I was a manager of a gym, I was a personal trainer, among other things, and yeah, so I've always been into supplements and things like that, and you know, shout out to the Freak and you know, the other guys getting into it as well. It's cool. You know, Spencer Lawn Care's having a good crack at it. Really good to see, and you know, it can only make life easier being fitter, especially in this game. So, not that supplements has anything to do with being fit or anything like that, but you know, I choose to eat protein powder as you know, a staple in my diet. So that's what I've ordered, and so this time I've got shout out to this company, Sups R Us. They're really good, really fast delivery and good prices. So this time I got Muscle Farm Combat Powder, the chocolate peanut butter flavour. So big fan of peanut butter. Always tastes delicious, and this stuff's always pretty good. The macros are pretty good on it. So you're looking at 1.5 fat, 5 grams of carbs, and 25 grams of protein per 35 gram scoop. So macros are pretty good, calories are pretty low, so it's always good. Sups R Us, they always chuck in something a little bit extra. So I've got a shaker, with that new animal t-shirt. It's always nice, and a little bit of something extra here. What do we got there? No Explode, probably a pre-workout of some description. They're always good, always get you going after a big day's mowing. And then what do we got here? And just a bit of marketing stuff. So yeah, always good to, you know, make sure your nutrition's good and everything like that when especially when you're out working all day. Can certainly help keep you focused and get you through to the end of the day. Righto guys, thanks for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Cheers.